God bless you.
Oh, thank you.
You guys have been sneezing a lot.
Oh, it's
okay, baby. It's alright.
I get so emotional.
So you get a lot of hits on the sneeze video.
Yeah, I get like 2,000 sometimes.
It's us. It's me. It's me.
You've been clicking on my videos.
Yeah. Yep. Like late at night, it's me. I watch your sneeze videos over.
We haven't told anybody. I mean, we've kept it pretty low key.
Wait, so you have a fetish with sneezes?
We have a fetish with sneezes.
So how long has this been? I didn't know this. I thought
We turned on to it maybe a few years ago. We were at a party and everybody was into it, and the next thing you know, we began getting sexually aroused by the sneeze.
We go to sneeze conventions.
So how did you guys meet, though?
We met in Las Vegas, actually, at the last one. And then when we were back to New York City.
We travel around. Like we quit our jobs. Like we travel around to sneeze conventions.
That kind of pepper I don't really like. I like McCormick better.
Black pepper, like, if you really want to sneeze, black pepper isn't the best. Which one do you like?
It burns. It burns up.
It does burn. McCormick is best.
I like the McCormick better.
But I mean, some people do cocaine. Like I do lines of pepper.
That's why you guys drink tonight?
Yeah, I mean, this is what we do. She keeps a credit card in her pocket just so we can do lines of pepper. Mm-hmm. We need to be able to like get it all together.
Because if you do too much of it, you get it up on your sinuses and the poor thing, just on the. I mean, my deviated septum from sneezing so much.
Can I ask you a personal question?
Sure.
Of course.
Do you guys, when you're intimate, do you guys sneeze for each other?
Absolutely.
Definitely. Like right next to the lube is usually pepper. Like they go hand in hand in our bed.
And it's gotten us so much closer.
I think it's coming. Hold on.
Oh, baby.
Hold on.
It's okay, baby. Let it go.
I get a little stage fright, so. Yeah.
But remember with the therapist, so just let it out.
I can't, but not everyone knows about it.
That's okay. Our family's
I feel like crying today.
Oh, God.
Good call.
Baby. I can't. That's it for me. I can't do it.
My pepper's not good, but you should just do pepper. I got a pepper, it's fine. McCormick, Wally says McCormick.